Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. I will present a simple but very useful tool to set a trailing stop based on the indicator Ichimoku. For this example, we are on a demo account with a sell position on the pair Euro-USD, and I wish to set a trailing stop at this Tenkan level. So this simple expert advisor that I will present today is meant to do it. For this, you need to enter the position ID number here, 262-308-336. Then pick the component of the Ichimoku indicator that will be used to set the stop order. We will pick the Kijun represented by the blue line in this Ichimoku indicator and click on OK. Now we can see the stop order placed on the Kijun. The hard stop is placed on the previous candle of the Kijun, but you have an additional option for the as price when you are in a short position. Here the red line will go above the blue Kijun. The position is now profitable. The entry price is placed in this zone and the stop order will follow the Kijun as the price is going down as a trailing stop base using the Ichimoku indicator. An alert is triggered with a sound and a pop-up window indicating that the position has been closed. The trailing stop has been removed. You can now initiate another order. The indicator is available from the link in the description below. I hope this indicator will be useful for you, and check our other videos.